welcome back to my channel. So today I'm sharing this beautiful, gorgeous wig with you guys. So this wig is from Tinashe hair. This is my second time working with them and their hair is absolutely amazing. And I feel like this wig looks so great for summertime. So how I applied this wig, I did it using the stocking cap method, which it's really hard. Like, it's not easy. Like, I feel like it looks like it could be easy to do, but it's like not easy. So I tried and I feel like hopefully y'all can't see the lace. Like from here, me looking into the mirror and me looking into like the monitor, I don't see the lace. So hopefully y'all can't see it. I tried my best to make this wig look, or to make this application look good. This wig looks good. Y'all check out my description box down below and check out Tinashe hair. Y'all look at this hair. It's so pretty. This is their water wave. It's pretty long. You'll see it. But yeah, I think this is perfect hair for summer. It's so pretty and it's soft and it's not like super curly. It's just like a nice wave to it. I think it looks really good. I hope you guys like it. I hope you like how I applied it. Y'all let me know what you think. And yeah, I'll get on with the tutorial.
This is the box that it came in, and it came with a cute little mirror and also a little wig cap. And this is the wig right out of the box. And it has 3 combs in the front, a comb in the back, 2 adjustable straps, and it has lace in the back as well. And then the cap is pretty stretchy. Alrighty, and this is how it looks on my little mannequin head. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go ahead and bleach these knots. Bleaching the knots makes the knots less visible, and the knots are the little black dots that you see. So once those are bleached, they're going to be more like the color of your scalp, and so it'll make it look like the hair is actually coming out of your scalp. And I have a more detailed video of how I bleach the knots, and I'll leave that linked below. And so this is how it looks after I bleach the knots. You can no longer see the knots anymore, and you can just, it looks like the color of basically your scalp. Okay, and the next step is to pluck your frontal. And if you've never plucked your frontals before, it makes a huge difference on how natural it will look. So basically just a quick little tutorial of how I do it. I just take a small section and then I'll just start plucking randomly in that section, and I'll just do that section by section. Just take a small section, use my tweezers, and then just pluck little bits like all around from that section. And then just keep doing it over and over, and then it'll end up looking like a more natural hairline. And here on this mannequin, you can see one side from the other. This side was plucked, and then this side hadn't been plucked. And you can see the clear difference, which side looks more natural.
Hey y'all, okay, so I haven't made a video in my bathroom in forever. So welcome. And okay, so I spent forever plucking this wig. Like, I would say probably over an hour, even maybe like an hour and a half to 2. I don't really know, like I lost track because I was just chilling and plucking this wig. And so I think it looks really nice, and I tried really hard to make it look natural. So I plucked it for a long time, and then I even just tried like swooping the baby hairs to see how they would look, and I like how it turned out. So I'm probably gonna have to like redo the swoops like once I put it on. But I just wanted to kind of show you like how it looks after I spent some time doing it, and it looks really cute. I think it looks really good. And what I used in it was this Cream of Nature. This is my first time using this stuff. The Cream of Nature Coconut Milk Curl Quench Foaming Mousse. And I think it held these curls pretty good. I mean, I'm not gonna say it's like completely frizz-free, but anyway, this isn't a video about this product, but this is a video about this hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to put it on. So also what I wanted to talk about is every time I put on wigs, oh shit, I use the Got to Be Glued hairspray or the the Got to Be Glued like gel stuff. And honestly, I literally hate it. I hate this stuff because it's so sticky. Like, it's just thick and sticky. I literally just hate it. So I forgot I had this one because I couldn't find this one. This one like got kicked under my bed for somehow. So I forgot I had this one. So I had to use this one the last time I put a wig on. And so when I was using it, oh, it just feels so much like, I don't know. I prefer this one over that one. So if you don't really like this, I don't know if you don't like, I don't like being sticky. I hate being sticky and wet. Those are like my pet peeves. Hate it. So this, I prefer this a lot better. I don't know why I didn't use this, but I feel like I've had this under my counter for probably like a good year and I just haven't used it. So anyway, I don't know why I'm talking so much. I drank a Monster. Okay, so what I did was I just washed my hair and I put my hair into 4 plaits. I don't know how to do like cornrows, so I just do what I can, and that's what I did with that. I just put some lotion on my elbows. They are dry. So my goal for this is to try to get this to look as natural as possible. Okay. Alrighty, so what I'm gonna go ahead and do, I'm just gonna pull this forward a little. You know what? I should probably try to do the whole like, what's this method called? Stocking cap method. I feel like I'm honestly not good at it. Yo, I try my best at this stuff, but. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this around the perimeter. I love how this feels compared to the other one. Like, y'all, there's definitely a difference. Like, if y'all don't know there's a difference, there's literally a difference. Okay, so next I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry that area so that I can like kind of, so the wig cap can like stick to my hair.
Okay, so now that it's all dried, I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the excess lace or the excess wig cap in the front. And when you do this part, make sure you don't cut off any of your hair or your edges because your hair is gonna be stuck to the wig cap because of the product. So actually I did cut off some of my hair here, but not too much, so I'm not worried. But if this is something that you would do often, you just have to be careful not to cut your hair off. So you're just going to carefully remove the excess wig cap. You want to stop right before your hairline, and I kind of got a little bit further back, but that's fine, and just do that all around carefully. Okay, now after I cut it, some of the cap rolled up a little bit, so I'm just taking a little bit more of the Got to Be Glued and I'm just putting it back around the perimeter just to kind of lay that down, and then I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry it to make sure it stays in place. Okay, next I'm gonna take my face powder and I'm gonna apply that to the front of the wig cap so that whenever I part the wig, the part is going to be the color of my skin. So this is going to make it look really natural. Okay, next I'm going to go ahead and apply the wig, and I'm just going to kind of see if I need to cut any lace around my ears, and if I do, then I'm going to go ahead and do that before I glue it down and before I cut off the lace around the front. Okay, so where the hair is over my ear, that's where I'm going to go ahead and cut that off. So I'm just going to cut that lace off right there, right around my ear. And then I'm going to go ahead and do that on both sides. And then I'm going to cut the hair from around the front of the wig. And I'm not going to go all the way back to the hairline. I'm going to leave a little bit of the lace. So that way, I feel like when you leave a little bit of the lace, that gives you a little bit more room for baby hairs and little wispy hairs, and it gives it the more natural look that I'm going for. Next, I'm going to take my Got to Be Glued gel and put that around the front of that wig cap, the wig cap and my hairline. And then I'm also going to take some Got To Be Glued Free Spray and apply that around the front of my hairline as well. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my blow dryer and blow dry it until it feels tacky. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply my wig. Just take your time with this part. Make sure that it's lined up nicely around your face. You don't want it too far down to where it makes your forehead look real small. You just want it to look natural as possible. So take your time. Once you have it where you want it to be, kind of push down and then just go ahead and blow dry it so that way the wig will get stuck to your head. Here I'm just tucking in the back comb. So the next I'm going to go ahead and do my hairline. I'm going to do the edges and do some baby hairs. So I'm just using that same foaming mousse that I showed you guys earlier, and I'm applying that all to the front of my hair, and then I'm just kind of like pulling down and then just like pulling back, like just like swooping it back, like brushing it down and then swooping it back, and just doing like about three times on this side. Now I like how it looks, so I'm going to take my blow dryer and just blow dry that area so I can make sure those baby hairs are stuck and don't move. Okay, I'm going to just do the exact same thing to the other side. Okay, now I'm just going to go ahead and part it where I want, and for this wig I wanted to do like a side part so it could kind of look like a flip over look. So I'm just doing that, and then I'm going to go ahead and spray it with some water. When I have curly hair, I like having like a wet look to it. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray it down and add a little bit more foam to it. Okay, and that is the completed look.
Okay, so that's my tutorial. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you like this wig. Let me know what you guys think. Check out my description box down below so you can check out the link to this hair. And yeah, I hope you like this video. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye. Honestly, I feel sexy in this hair.